How to turn off YouTube search and watch history off. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open YouTube, click on your profile at the top right, and click on Google account. In Google account, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. On the left side, click on Data and Privacy. Then it will lead you to this page. In here, simply scroll down and you'll find YouTube history. Click on it. After you click on it, simply scroll down and you will find auto delete option. You can simply select auto delete for some month and it will auto delete after that month. But if you completely want to turn it off, what you need to do is go back and then click on turn off at the top. Then click on pause at the bottom right corner of your screen. As you can see, the setting has been off. You can do same with your phone. Open YouTube, click on You at the bottom right. Click on Settings at the top right. Then go to Manage All History. In here, you can also do is auto delete after some month, or simply go to Controls at the top and click on Turn Off. Then press on pause and your search and watch history will be turned off. This is how to turn YouTube search and watch history off. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.